Hey everyone, Tanner here with Phone Skope. Today we're talking about our weekly deal, what it is and how it works. So let's just dive right into it. We've got our Bino harness, got the Bino Bandit here, and then we've got our Bino connecting loop. Let's attach these, show you how they work, and why you need to pick one up. So everyone, this is Bino Bandit. Pretty self-explanatory, right? It just slips over your eye cup. So when you're using it, it seals off any of the ambient light that would come in from the side there. Play around with that, but I like to just push it down and then just pull it up to the bottom. There you go. There's your Bino connecting loop. Really simple. All you'll do, and then just press it up through anything that you're trying to attach these to. Push that piece up through, pull it tight. There you go. So now you can easily attach or detach your binoculars or camera, something like this. Crack that open. It's a nice spandex that really recovers well, doesn't stretch out. Nice Phone Skope logo there. And with the clips, right, with these, all you got to do is take that and you're ready to go. So if you wanted to remove the harness, really simple. So guys, that's it. That's the weekly deal. The elastic binocular harness, the Bino Bandit, and the Bino connecting loops.